In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a drawing to Word without exporting. Let's dive straight into the process. First, make sure you're looking at your drawing in AutoCAD. You want to get the best possible view of the specific area you want to transfer into Word. Let's start by zooming in on the extents of the drawing. To do this, use the Zoom command. Type Z as a shortcut for zoom and press Enter. Then type W for window and press Enter again. Now, draw a rectangle around the portion of your drawing that you intend to zoom into. This ensures you have an accurate and focused view of the area you want. Once you've zoomed into the correct section, the next step is to select the objects you want to copy over to Word. If you want everything visible on the current screen, simply click and drag to select all the necessary components. With your selection highlighted, it's time to copy it to your clipboard. Right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C. Make sure you have everything you need highlighted before you copy. Now, let's bring this over to Word. Open your Word document where you'd like the image to appear, then click on the area where you'd like the drawing to appear. Then, paste your copied drawing. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the shortcut Ctrl-V. And there you have it. Your AutoCAD drawing is now part of your Word document. Sometimes when you paste, the image may not fit the page exactly as you envisioned. This is where the crop tool becomes handy. You may need to crop the image pasted to ensure it fits well with your document's layout and design. Simply select the image and use the cropping tool in Word's formatting options to trim any unnecessary margins or parts. And that's it. You've successfully copied your AutoCAD drawing into your Word document. Remember, the key is starting with a clear, well-defined area in your AutoCAD view, which translates into a more precise and professional look when pasted into Word. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.